What's the meaning of choreograph? Choreograph. Choreograph.
Choreograph. Choreograph. Choreograph means to design and coordinate the movements, actions, and positions of performers in a dance or theatrical performance. The result of a well-choreographed performance is a cohesive and visually stunning display that effectively communicates the intended message or story to the audience. The choreographer must use their creativity and knowledge of movement to create engaging and memorable routines that capture the essence of the performance. Ultimately, the goal of choreography is to enhance the overall experience for the audience and elevate the performer's skills and abilities.